Meet John. He's a roads foreman for a small city's Department of Public Works. John's typical day involves completing work orders via the AssetWorks EAM Connect mobile app for pothole repairs and other common maintenance issues along residential roads. To begin working, John logs into EAM Connect and selects Work Orders. John can view where on the map he and his crew have been assigned work. He sees a work order for a pothole repair, selects the task, and begins working on the repair. After the work is complete, John selects the task and adds labor for individuals in his crew. In the app, John can also track additional costs to the work order beyond labor and post materials to the work order. Parts and materials are managed through AssetWorks EAM's fully integrated inventory management, which tracks in real time the quantity on hand for all parts and materials John has permission to access. Through the Commercial button, John can input invoices to track vendor costs and equipment usage. When all work is complete, John can send the final work order to his supervisor for a review. Thanks to foremen like John and the AssetWorks EAM Connect mobile app, the city's roads can remain safe and well-maintained for the community. For a more in-depth look at the EAM Connect app, schedule a custom demo at assetworks.com/EAM.